Hello, so today we're going to try and make homemade ballistics gel. So the first thing you need to do is get this Knox gelatin, and what else you'll need is a measuring cup. I'm going to use a little plastic bin for a mold, and of course you need a pan to boil the water for it. So let's get started. So for every ounce of gel you need, which is 4 packets, you need 8 to 12 ounces of water. I'm going to do 10 ounces. I tried 12 ounces before, it was a little soft, so I'm going to go a little harder with the 10 ounces of water. Next, you want to turn on the stove, and then you add the packets. As you're adding the packets, you want to stir and you want to keep stirring so it doesn't get lumpy. And basically that's what you keep doing, is you keep adding packets and keep stirring until they're all in there, like so. Stir it gently to keep the bubbles, and then once it's all melted and dissolved in, take it off the burner and let it cool a little bit before pouring it into the mold. So after letting it set for 12 hours, you take the ballistics gel out and it should be all ready to use. So we're out to the range and we're going to test out the ballistics gel, and I'm going to test it out with, I'm going to use my Walther PPQ in 22 long rifle, and I'm going to be using the CCI mini mags. So, and I'm also going to do 9mm, so I got my IWI Masada here, and I'm going to be using the SIG 115 grain V crowns. So we'll test those out in the block of gel and see how they do. Okay, so you can see on the 22 it went completely through. That's the wound channel. And then with the 9mm, I had a hard time hitting it. So you could see that was with the V crown. And then I took a shot with the these over here, because I kept missing the block. I hit it down low, so you could see it went down and it sliced it open and everything. But with the full metal jacket, I hit it dead center and it kind of went up a little bit. So that's the full metal jacket, that's the hollow point, and then that's the 22. But that's my test for the ballistics gel. So there you have it. This is my attempt to make homemade ballistics gel. This was at 12 ounces to 1 ounce of gel, and this is 10 ounces to 1 ounce of gel. But it worked okay. Definitely I'm going to have to get a different mold, one that's thicker, because trying to hit that thin section is a little bit hard, and as you see in the video, I ended up hitting at the bottom and it skimmed right through here and it destroyed the other container that I had. So definitely have to make a mold, maybe one that's more square and longer, but it saves cost because a block of ballistics gel can run over $100. So this was $15 for the stuff to make that block. So, you know, it's definitely a neat little project. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good day.